Morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos in iMovie and specifically how to add transitions in between your video clips. So let's dive in. This is super fun and super easy. So a transition is just how you transition, how you change from one video clip to another. The most common one that I use is just a straight cut. It's called a cut, which means rather than an actual transition, you just let it cut from one clip to the next. But the cool thing about iMovie, it gives you all these different transitions, and if you're really a cinematographer, you'll learn that there's certain transitions you use to create certain moods and effects, but play around with these different transitions. 99% of the time, all I use is a cross dissolve. Here's what a cross dissolve looks like. You can click and drag it in between the two clips, and it will now cross dissolve from one clip to the next, that's what that looks like. By the way, if you want to know what each of these looks like, what each of these transitions look like, you can just drag across them and it'll show you what that transition looks like, or you can click the space bar and it will play that transition for you so you can see what that looks like. Or you can drag it into your clip and see what it looks like. You'll notice that I have this clip, and when I hover, or this transition, when I hover over it, it says 1.0s. That means 1 second. It's 1 second long. Let's say I want it to be 3 seconds long. I double click on that transition and I change the duration to 3 seconds and I hit apply. Okay, apply will apply it to just that one. If I have multiple clips and multiple transitions and I want them all to be the same length, then I double click on it, choose the duration I want. Let's say we want it to be 2 seconds, and I click apply to all. Now each of these transitions are going to be 2 seconds long in my video. Okay, you can play around with these different transitions, see which ones you like. When I'm doing videos, I pretty much only use the cross dissolve or a fade to black or a fade to white, where it just fades out at the end right there. I will sometimes with photo slideshows have fun with these, like mosaics or the cube spins or the swaps. These can be really cool when you're doing photo slideshows. But for the most part, when you're making videos or films, the dissolve is good enough, although YouTube has kind of thrown that out the window and they use all kinds of crazy transitions. So have fun with it, play with the transitions. That is how you edit videos in iMovie and how you add transitions to your videos. For more iMovie tutorials, please check out the descriptions in the link and subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week, how-to videos that are so simple, even your mom can do it. Have a great day.